Hello everyone. Sorry guys. London. Want to say a very big thank you for yesterday. The turnout was really massive. It was really massive. This shows that Edo people are united. Edo people are really united. The turnout yesterday, in fact, Copenhagen like UK, maybe with Martin there. Remind me at all here like UK, maybe with Martin there. In fact, even some other part of the world, that kind of turnout that everybody was literally standing. Outside was jam-packed. Outside, we didn't have time to go outside. There was traffic in way hall. Traffic. You have to wait for someone to pass first before you can even pass. Okay, not the way traffic lights you wait the hall so that they can be controlling the traffic. We want to say in London, you people have really done well. We thank you so much, everybody, right from the top to bottom. I want to say thank you so much, everybody that put in different resources, strength, power, prayers, money, spreading this good news, sharing. We want to say a big thank you. We want to say a very big thank you. But I will still come officially to say a big thank you to everybody that I brought this show to a successful event. Now, Leeds, you're already in Leeds. We are just a few minutes away to the venue. Guys, Leeds, I hope people are ready for us. We are coming in full force. Leeds, I want you guys to turn up. Turn out in massive. Turn out in big form. Right. It's sad that after Sunday, on Monday, the team will be going back to Nigeria. They will be flying back on Monday. This Monday, which is on the 13th. Everybody that you see, you've seen me playing with or playing on my platform, they are all going back on Monday, which is now, literally 2 days from now. They are all going back this Monday, the 13th, because most of them have got shows. So they are going back. So obviously we cannot stay more than of this Monday. But by the grace of God, we are going to do a massive show by the grace of God soon. Right. Behind me is okay, to say big thanks to your fans. So it's okay. Anybody that calls, please just call that person.
Hello, my fans all over the world. I'm here to appreciate you all for all you've done for us. More especially my fans in London. I so much appreciate you all for the love towards our shows yesterday. I will say, me know we were second we I will say cabo when you turn up in me, you know that. You make it here, that moment, I make big concert in there. I'm a guitar, I take big guitar, I see one. When you always say, yeah, so look at me, I say, yeah, moment. In a bit of Dion by Yoma. So, I will say, anywhere, cabo, when you fair, anywhere, a day more day, a minute, so I know you wow, I made in Nigeria. So, it shows you one book now. I get from my finger Monday, by Tuesday, I will have you, I said, so, from Saturday, this very Saturday, but won't hang up the show, man. So you book your shows now. You even some date in October. So there's some date in October, and I think I still have one date for November. So I will say Cabo Bonwa. So anyway, after my area Manchester, I turn up in London. Here when I did, and I'm about nowhere. I will say anywhere. And now my road and my real listener. Mutana, Malao, like I can Wali, I want to show my love. I will say, I'm going to be jolly. Saron no mayo.
Madame, anyway, if you London, water, I will say no there. Sloba ebagua. I will say, if you have any own man, Sloba, and I say, I will say, every Monday, I have fair. Marie Nigeria equipment the masia my yakpe Wawesi. My people from a demon man say Nigeria ne. Wawesi ni wawesi o. Salobate bawa. Yamune oteme. Kevin Alaska.
Hello. If you to never Wawesi, man. I just really want to appreciate you all for all your support, your views, and all your comments. Especially London. Hey, they came in London, man. Where in London, hey, me no wafi no there as in it was too much. Oh, well, was there no do worry my way kakabo or what will in my sessy? Uji, no ruwagbe, egi fafa. Osa abo aka abo afian gbo wa emi ke no wa riri oboyi eya ati no denu wa na ma vero dene ma say Lizzy ne ma iri venue ni mana event na la o no ro wa no ro de no every winner na la o na do de by ma okie na later o na do bobo ekugbe na do gbe yo wenwe ikwe do ma wa mu ere do go wa jollificate Leonardo de Bama, and that way we'll be going to Manchester. Please come out and show us love. Wayawese, Mene Kevin Oyalaska will be going to Benin. Irie do no baje Ede Monday. Ile Agbame Sanwo. Owa ajogo me go tabi show wa. Wayawese, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Osabo afian gbowa. Yamune general to boy. Daddy Jackie.
Hey, my people. What day, yesterday was fun. You see, my voice don't go nowhere. Yesterday fun day where all of us enjoy ourselves for London. Now what about you mean? They come over London yesterday. So right now,
in half a mile, keep right to continue on A1 and follow signs for Doncaster.
You know what I mean? You're gonna carry lead. And tomorrow we're in Manchester. So everybody will in Manchester. Call your sister, we're in Chester. Make gonna go flex out. So
keep right to continue on A1.
Manchester, call your sister, we're in Chester. Make gonna go flex out. So that's what we're doing because by Monday.
Continue for 23 miles.
So by Monday, you might have to flex out. Like I said, lead, we're on to you. We're about to drop some bomb in lead. So make sure that carry lead. You understand? Because London, they don't come with condom yesterday. So they bust everywhere. You understand? Like I don't care. They bust everywhere like I don't care. I went to London now. So me calling on lead now. Make sure that carry lead. So everybody with them Manchester. Call your sister where they just start. Then I come flex out because on Monday we are getting out. You know what I mean? So now give breakfast, okay?
Yo. It's your boy Beko. Umenwan. I want to say big thank you to everybody. Wawesi. Those people that came out in London to support us. People came out in mass. We are most grateful. We never expected such huge crowd to come out like that, but you people made us proud. Bless who I am. And for all the people that came all the way from Spain to support me, muchísimas gracias. Just a beliga. We are on our way to Leeds, and tonight is going to be another good night. So all our fans in Leeds, God will continue to bless you all as you do. People in London, Wawesi, you people made us proud. All my guys, my brothers, they'll be leaving to Nigeria, but I'm here, because here is my base, but all the same, I'll be going to where I stay. So I bid them all farewell, and may God escort them to Nigeria on Monday. You all, I want to thank you all once again. Saloba bless you all. You made us proud. Everywhere we went to, all the way from Birmingham to Glasgow to even London, you people, you were the best. You were the best. I must thank you. God bless you all. Wawesi.
I will say. Let me give it to my sister here, May Aline.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to say a big thank you to all my fans all over the world, most especially my fans in the UK, women supporting women. I thank you all very much from the house where I lived in the UK, and the shows we played, Glasgow, Birmingham, London. I really appreciate you guys. We're relocating back to Benin on Monday after Leeds and Manchester shows. So to continue the showbiz there, Hexagon gets ready, Naomi's Garden gets ready, Surprise Pub and Cafe gets ready, as the princess will be back to town on Monday. Thank you.
Hello, all our beautiful fans, all our graceful. Thank you so much for all you have done for us. All this, thank you for what you've done for us in Birmingham, Glasgow, in London. We're in Leeds right now. We want you also to come out and come and see your people. Thank you so much for all you have done for our West. Here to know some more. We know wires. We know why I'm going to be here. We do UK now. We are now. We are to. We are about to fiang big boa. Fiang big no boa. Also say my army. My hours say we bring my deal list and my reading. And we'll be leaving back next week, Tuesday. I'm feeling we should be in Nigeria. Why we all my beautiful fans. Don't forget your Fridays with me. TOB Entertainment on Fridays. From next week, I'm going to be there for you all. Thank you so much. Wesley Hotel, don't forget Friday nights. TOB Entertainment. I always see you.
This is umenwan of UK. Smoking. Yes. My good people all over the world. Who are told, who are peragons. If not got to our Mawagbe, who are here, Diaha. Here do you have a few Wama? Kate, my friend, the old London, UK. Who are Ma, who are told. 7 where you go, we want to die my yake. My UK. Man, not bubble together. No tenant. We London. Oh, if you London, who are to? Oh, Wakuye, Wamusebi Wakube. They all Harajo. Okay, well, yes. Mare, Mani story. Waweseo, Wato. Even if we are where Vinicorana, Mawarode, Marie, and we are at least. Maria Boboy. A day in Bay. I love me Sunday on 12. Why we are in Manchester? Having your boy. If you Manchester was Mama, we are on our way running down my wedding. My Queen, my boy in Manchester, and there I bring you one. Are you are? Oh, when Manana may be, I bet book. Why can you have that? Yeah, maybe when you are your surface will be. Can you have your son? You have a son, if you bought by UK Baba, this son is back. Papa Danya, after the 12th, the next day, my email show where we are done. Spoken to all my fans. I will say, thank you. This is what you want life.
Yes, so my people, what domosa. I be my brothers and sisters, gratitude. Now say the only thing I sabi do, now to the talk say thank you, because they say time na money, and to make money is not easy. So I understand the time we be so now they get for us. Even our brothers and sisters where they watch us for life, now time we not they waste, and that time so if we not say we not go find money. Una no money we go enter on our pockets, but una they give us that time because say now what the person like that person they wash. If una don't like us, una not carry on our live video they look us. So I don't get what I want to still talk say. Thank you Una do well for all the love, all the support. Many people say, I do me man, I'm here, Odo. Onyame and someone not do me man. I wish as we they do all those things, so we know they see una support, una know they come out, una not buy tickets, una not come out. What would they do? Officer will not sabi do one. Now because una they clap for us, or more I got base, we go. Then make we get the strength to they do more. You know, all the way from since we take concerts, London or Gawahi, Glasgow or Ga, Birmingham or Ga. Right now we say they go Leeds, from Leeds to Manchester. You understand? So as we they go, some people don't wait for us already. They wait make we give them our best. And now we don't get more strength because of what the London people do us yesterday. They love too much. The love they want bled my head, they want break my head. Or to agbewa wese, wayawa wese. Before na sandoka we kono rieniere. Na 24 bits we kono rieniere. We wa wo me. 24 bits. You understand? One week kono rieniere at the UK. I love una so much. Many Sandra no biagbogu. No ka hin wiku. Oh wabi wagi do age wayawa wese. I so much appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Wese now. We'd already reached Leeds. We head to the location right now. We go there to go do another one. You know, I said to you, everything what they do now because of my love and support. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Me too, I enjoy the show. I wish I not call it for pay me die. All those our brothers, they too much show. They be lions and tigers of music. Those boys the best. Me say they stand for crowd, they watch them. Then they bust my brain. More strength to my brothers, more strength to them. May I pass on to the son of Bayo and the bro steak. Gege.
You go say me they give out to a share out. My brothers and my sisters, fans all over. It's your boy, your brother, your friend. Bayo Ade Jr., the king of microphone. Why here again for dropping another one. I didn't want to appreciate you all. I want to appreciate you all. Since we came into town, the love has been massive. The love has been so massive. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to say thank you. I've come to say thank you to you all. Wolverhampton, Birmingham was bomb. Glasgow was light. London was bomb. Now we are on our way to Leeds. I'm not saying a bomb again. I'm going to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's not because you had too much, that's why you guys came out to appreciate us. But because of the love you have for us, you came out, you appreciated us. And we have come back to say thank you. Because we appreciate for finger, they will give a full hand. So I have come to say thank you for the ones you guys have done, for all you guys have done. You take your time to comment on the live video. You take your time to come out and watch the live video. You take your time to watch the live video. You share the live video. You come to all events. I say thank you. I cannot be mentioning anybody's name, but I see all of you. I see what you guys have been doing. I'm going to say thank you. Today we're going to Leeds. We're on our way to Leeds. Tomorrow Manchester. And after Manchester, we're hitting Africa. Back to Naija. We could go see our Obama tell Oba say we don't show, we don't come. I really want to say thank you to you all. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to pass the phone to my main man.
Yeah. Fans all over the world. Fans. In Birmingham, my fans in Birmingham, my fans in Glasgow, my fans in London. Oh my God. Thank you. London fans was massive. Yesterday the love was too massive. Too much love. I appreciate you guys. Yes, you look at best and I appreciate you all. Thanks for the love, thanks for everything. Right now today we are going to Leeds. It's gonna be a bomb tonight. All my fans in Leeds, famous Akaba, the SNO master is in Leeds right now. Come and show me love. Don't let them tell you story. Follow out, come and see with your two eyes. Those supporting us, those promoting us, those sharing our videos, or the likes, or the comment. We thank you all. We appreciate you all. Please, fans, begging you, promise not to let you guys down. Then tomorrow to Manchester. Hey, Manchester. Everybody within Manchester's a big chess B. Manchester, get ready. Famous Akaba coming through tomorrow. It's gonna be massive fun. Manchester, get ready for your boy, Famous Akaba. It's gonna be massive tomorrow. Can't afford to miss this. Then after Manchester, next day I'm out of the country, going to Naija. Here we come. We know what's our country be now. So we'll go see Oba, we'll go along with our Oba Gatokbere. He said. Love you all. Manchester, get ready. Leeds, we're already here, ready. Make one fall out. Famous Akaba, the son of the legendary Akaba man, and run to make it hot. One love. I love you all. Thanks for the love. I appreciate it.
I beg my people, this is my sister Princess Otto Alile. She the best. She said I'd always talk about the song, say me no they call her name. And because if she teach me how to play guitar, she don't want to teach me. So I the best. That make I not mention her name. Princess Alile, teach me how to play guitar. If not, any of the live video, I don't want to mention your name. How will my old to be play guitar pass me? What did happen? Oh, their papa your TJ, this work. My papa don't be musician. You're tired. I the trip for them. They to play music. Your papa your teach them. No other. I'm of your boy. No more. This guy's there. Papa said, why you don't do music? Me? On Tuesday morning, I don't reach Oba Palace. Here near Boregua. Where Baba Irene unu give my marine Oba talk me. On Tuesday, I don't land Nigeria. For what? Edo Benin City. Edo no buy. Benin will die. I beg you, Maggie, by the way, you may help me.
Thank you all. Ooh.
I was you.
Hi everybody. Oh my god. London, you guys are just amazing. I am rarely speechless, but you guys left me totally speechless. Like, I mean, if you're London, Unza Venu Wapuse Wamagbina Wamafiok Panike Ola Pamare Amafilogo Wana Mutiao Venu Mayamu Ugieni Swen Wana Pimaro Makedo Tugieni Fo. I take her. Isn't that a success? What is the definition of success if it's not that? Wow, we are so blown away by the love. It was felt throughout the room. The unity. I mean, I stood there and I shed a tear because I had never seen it. Like, I had never seen so much Benin people gather in one place and Edo people gather in one place and just love themselves and just be happy. You guys were so happy. You guys, you danced, you sprayed. Like, I have never seen it. But no de, Ovagbanima self, Ogbanima for. Not be we. Edo to the world. Yes, it's us. In fact, London will not too much. Will not too much. It's your white dog balance. Nah, you guys. Hey. So you mean we are this plenty? It was an opportunity to meet. I saw people I hadn't seen in years, you know. It was just amazing. The dance floor was filled right from the beginning till the end. No. The guys, they felt so much love. Thank you. The prayers, your prayers have worked immensely. I mean, your prayers have worked. I don't know why I swim out. Imani ata apart from wawesi. Why I need to go to get wawesi. We try to accommodate everybody, and I think we did a pretty good job. So much, okay? Leeds, we're on our way to you. It would be nice if you guys can show us love. I know you guys are already waiting for us, so I'm gonna say thank you. We really can't wait to celebrate with you guys. And then Manchester, Giasu, I give up with Walawo. But I have any bill on the way I suffer with him. Walao, you are why we are well. Walao. Dinner, I feel panic, and no lack party. Many a co was Simon, my yawa will go, my wabi will go, my wabi will go. I understand. Just like that, okay? So I want to say thank you. The guys, everybody that's been part of this, they are leaving on Monday, and the final set will be leaving on Tuesday. That's it. They will be going back home. So please pray for them that their journey will be successful. We're working on plans for next year that they'll come back. Also, December we have Edonimose coming up. If you'd like to be a part of it, then please reach out. We always love to hear from you guys, okay? You guys are the reason why we do what we do, and we're happy that we can put a smile on your face and stuff. And then in January we're going to Nigeria, Edo State, Benin City. We're doing the Edo Legend celebration, and this time is the turn of the superstars. So it will be January 11th at SIO Event Center, Studio Nigeria, as I normally do because I enjoy it totally. It'll be nice if you can join us. It'll be really lovely to see you guys, to welcome you guys, and to have you be a part of that celebration too. So that will be in January, okay? So Edonimose is on the 26th in London, and I think we're coming to Manchester this year and another city as well this year for Edonimose. So that's in December, okay? We're going to Dublin as well for Edonimose in December. That's like a general end of year party just to celebrate and thank God for the whole year. And then in January we have the events in Benin City, Nigeria as well. So follow us, and please continue to support us. We totally appreciate you guys. If you have anything for the guys, please reach out as soon as possible, because they will all be going back home latest Tuesday. I know a lot of you are wondering why they haven't stayed for as long as you possibly think. So a working permit is issued for only the time and duration for which you are going to do that job. So take 1 week, plus 14 days, 3 months, at all. Then who are the winner? The other winner, the Monday, the Monday, 14 days a day. Understand? So every no time at all, because when I do why reason why are a country now, because they're visiting visa. That's how the working permit works, okay? And obviously, as you guys know, there was a delay in them receiving their passports back. So even though the visas were issued like earlier, we didn't actually get it until the week they actually flew in. So that's why we moved the show a bit forward, okay? So that's actually what it is. Forget about everything else you heard. That's exactly what happens, okay? So they will have to go back home, and then we're planning that God willing, by God's grace, they will come back next year again to perform for you guys, because you guys love them so much, okay? We're also hoping this time they will be able to reach out to other countries, Europe and America as well. So if you're an event promoter in America or Europe and you want to be a part of this, we would really love to hear from you. Please reach out to us. If you think you have ideas, good ideas of how we can make it work, we would love to hear from you as well, okay? We always love hearing from you guys. So West Midlands, yes. If you would like us to host, if you would like to host us in the West,
in half a mile,
keep right to continue on A1. Reach out to us. Absolutely. We'd love to have you reach out to us. Every city, if you want them to come, just reach out to us, and then we can work with plans, okay? You guys are the reason why we do this. So yes, they want to share their talents with you guys. They want to put a smile on every face. So absolutely.
keep right to continue on
A1. And we're sorry about the transmission issues we had yesterday. We really felt YouTube would have been a better platform to stream.
Continue on A1.
For 6 miles. Because we're seeing virtually, so that was the reason why we migrated to YouTube, and it didn't quite work out as we planned. So we want to really apologize, because you guys, our viewers, are so important to us. We always love to share these new amazing experiences with all of you, because you all deserve it. You guys totally support us immensely, so we love to share it with you, okay, freely, no charge, okay? It's for you all, totally. Okay, so that's why we do it. So we're sorry it was on YouTube and it didn't quite work out. We really felt it might work out, and we tried it and it wasn't as good, so we came back to Facebook so that you guys could enjoy the party with us. I mean, how amazing is that, right? We really appreciate you guys, okay? Yes, Europe, we've got you on our minds. Definitely, we've got you on our minds, okay? If you have good suggestions, please just reach out to us. Our inboxes are always open. We appreciate you guys for all the love, all the support, all the gifts that you guys have been giving to the guys and the lady. So when I say guys, I really mean the whole team, okay? So please, nobody should get offended. I'm sorry. So yes, what you've been giving to the guys, we really appreciate it, okay? Honey, what else to say?
Yep. That's it. We love you guys. Thank you for everything you have done. And please don't forget, if you have any gift to give to any of them, please.
Yes.
Please try and make it
snappy.
Yeah, because they're living on
Tuesday. And if you can't make it on Tuesday, that's fine. Still reach out to us. We can send it to them, because someone has promised that they'll ship their stuff back. So that's fine. You can send it to them, okay? They would really appreciate it. They would appreciate that, okay? What else to share with you? So tonight we'll be live on Facebook for the Leeds show, and then definitely for our grand finale tomorrow in Manchester. Make sure you don't miss it, okay? If you're yet to get your ticket, especially for Manchester, then please reach out to get your tickets. We're really hoping to see a lot of you, okay? A lot of you. I would really like to personally greet you and meet you guys. You guys are like 20. You guys are, oh, let me just say thank you and welcome to the new members of the 24 Bits family, okay? We absolutely love the fact that our family is growing. So I want you guys to congratulate yourself, because this is all because of you, okay? Have a drink on us tonight, 24 Bits family. You guys deserve it. You guys have just been totally amazing. You know, and Glasgow, thank you. Birmingham, thank you. Like, so Glasgow especially, we gave you guys such short notice. In 3 days, you guys came up with that amazing event. Like, how good is that? You guys are amazing. Honestly, you guys continue to blow our mind. And Birmingham, our first host ever. Oh my God, you guys literally set the pace for the whole event. And we're just so grateful for the awesome reception you guys gave us. Because honestly, una just ginger us, you know, understand? Una ginger us well. No. See groove now, back to back. Nah. Una too much. Una just too much. We completely feel the love. And we want to say thank you, okay? Thank you guys for the show of love. We can't say it enough, so we're going to skip.
In 2 miles.
Junction 42, take the A63 exit to Leeds and Selby.
Tonight, practice from 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll catch up with you guys later on tonight. And Manchester, get ready for tomorrow. Can't wait to see you all. From us and the whole 24 Bits family, we're going to sign out. And we see you guys shortly. Oh, get your Red Bull and your coffee. Don't sleep on us, okay? See you soon. Goodbye.